Welcome to this week's Legal Insight with Ngada Attorneys. Today, we're unpacking a cornerstone of South African law, how the Constitution applies to private legal relationships, particularly through the Bill of Rights. Uniquely, our Constitution allows for horizontal application, meaning its rights and values don't just bind the state, but also private individuals and entities. This is made clear in Section 8.2 of the Constitution. There are two key ways the Bill of Rights influences private law. Direct application, where a constitutional right is directly enforced, often when there's no adequate remedy in ordinary law. And indirect application, where courts interpret and develop existing private law, like contract or delict, in line with the values of the Constitution. The courts generally prefer the indirect route first. This ensures the law remains flexible and continues to evolve without unnecessarily overriding it. Nowhere is this clearer than in contract law. Traditional ideas like freedom of contract are no longer absolute. Instead, fairness, reasonableness, good faith, and Ubuntu must guide enforcement. The Constitutional Court confirmed this in Barkhusen v. Napier and Biedeke v. Oregon Trust, signaling a shift toward balancing individual rights with community expectations. The Consumer Protection Act builds on this by protecting vulnerable consumers and promoting fairness in business, showing how legislation can align with constitutional goals. In Delict, the Constitution has reshaped principles like wrongfulness and state accountability. Courts now consider whether omissions by the state breach constitutional duties, as seen in cases like Carmichael and Kamapi. This empowers individuals to hold the state accountable for harm and helps build a culture of rights and responsibility. Even in family law, the Constitution has been transformative. It recognizes diverse family structures, protects the best interests of the child, and demands equality in all marital systems, whether civil or customary. Reforms in divorce law and parental rights further reflect this commitment to dignity, equality, and justice. At Ngada Attorneys, we're committed to upholding these values in every aspect of private law, ensuring your legal rights are respected and protected. For trusted legal guidance on constitutional and civil matters, contact us at the details below. Thank you.